Did you know that there's a way to save yourself money while making money with a shopping app like Uber Eats, Instacart, or Shipt? If you're curious on how to do that, stay tuned. What's up, y'all? My name is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. This is the first video I'm making in a series where Financial Anatomy meets the Side Hustler Society. Some of y'all know that I actually have two YouTube channels, this one being Financial Anatomy, which focuses on budgeting, investing, and apps that involve money. I have another channel called the Side Hustler Society that's all about making money, obviously since it has the word side hustle in the title. Well, these two can actually feed off of each other, and this is a great way to let new viewers know that I actually have another channel, and if they're looking to make money instead of manage it, check out the Side Hustler Society. And likewise, if you're on the Side Hustler Society and want to know how to invest and budget your money, check out Financial Anatomy. But on to the content of the video. So assuming you have some kind of app that you're making money from, like Instacart or Shipt, or now Uber Eats Shop and Pay, which is just the normal Uber driver app, just make sure you're approved for shopping orders, then you can actually do what I like to call double dipping. The reason being is the way this works is when you get a shopping order, you go into a store like Tom Thumb or Sprouts or Brookshires. I'm just naming stores that are local to my area, but let's just use a more universal example like even Walmart. You do your shopping, you pay using the shopper debit card or virtual card, and then you load your car and deliver those groceries to a location. But here's the kicker. You're actually required to keep the receipt for your own records, and you need to take a picture of it. So that means you have a bunch of receipts which can actually end up piling up in the trash compartment of your car. So that can actually be a little annoying to keep emptying it. But here's the important part. There's an app called Fetch. And if you've ever used Fetch before, you take pictures of receipts and you get points based on certain items that you've been shopping for. For example, there might be a certain type of salt that's worth X amount of points. If you buy that and take a picture of the receipt and verify that you bought it on the Fetch app, that means that you'll get points for that. These points can be redeemed to get items and also cash back. So when you get enough points, you can simply just cash those points out and get cash back into your account. Awesome, right? So where does the double dipping come into play? Well, while you're making money with your side hustle on Uber Eats Shop and Pay, for example, you have all these receipts that are just stacking up, and they can collect dust in your trash department and then eventually end up in the trash. But before that happens, why not actually go through the Fetch app and take a picture of those receipts so that you can get points from the various items that people just bought using their money, and you can benefit from them because you just shop, you have these receipts, and you can start to accumulate points so that you can cash out and get extra money. So this is what I like to call double dipping. You are able to save money while you're on the hustle. This is where Financial Anatomy meets the Side Hustler Society. Now that does it for this video. I'm going to try and keep these videos under 3 minutes long, but videos like this will appear on Financial Anatomy and the Side Hustler Society. So if you are interested in making money, check out the Side Hustler Society. In fact, Shop and Pay in particular with Uber, I just released a video on 8 tips on how to increase your money doing Uber Eats Shop and Pay. So check that out if this topic interests you. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, very much appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And of course, since we're on Financial Anatomy, I gotta say it, don't forget to take control of your financial destiny.